Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of OfficeSuite. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go to above, you will search about OfficeSuite and you will click. And here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.